Welcome everyone, thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we'll be drawing Captain America from Avengers Doomsday. So let's start in the center of the page with the eyes. We start over on the left side with a circle, starting from the very top. Go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining at the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. On the top left side of each eye, draw a smaller circle coming in for a highlight. And it'll fill the center of the pupils in black, going around and highlight. Now with the eyes in place, let's move to the center and draw the nose, starting from the left, then it's down, and then up. The step down, draw a larger curve for the mouth, and then on the ends, add a bracket. Let's move down in the center, add a short curve for the lower lip. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, step out, curve the head, coming down, come across just underneath the mouth, and then bend that up towards the right. Let's go back over towards the left side and draw the top half of the head. Start by bumping this out, go up and in, round up the head, come down and in on the right side. Now I want to draw the edge of the mask, starting on top of the nose. Start with a curve from the left side, then it's out and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Then we're going to bend this out and then up. Let's step in, draw a strap, going down and in towards the bottom of the head. And I'll add that strap across the chin with a curve, going up and then down. Let's go up above the nose. We're going to add a fold with a small curve going across. Now I want to add that opening around the eyes. Starting from the inside of the left eye, bend this up and then out towards the top. Curve this across towards the outside. Bend this out and down. And we'll bend this down and then in towards the bottom of the eyes. We're going to go back to the inside and add a fold for the brow. On the left, bend this in and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to add the ears along the side. Starting from the left, go up, down, and then in. Along the top, I'm going to add a fold. Go back to the inside and add a hook. Now along the top of each eye, we're going to add a fold, going out and then up. I'm going to add some lines across the side. Starting from the left, angle this down and in. From the corner of the eye, angle this up and then out. Let's split this area in half with one more line. Let's add that large A in the center of the head, starting from the very top with a straight line. On the ends, angle this down and then out. Angle this down and in. Now I'm just going to go up and flatten off the center. Now in this area, we're going to add a small triangle. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We'll start over on the left side, and it's out and down towards the hip. Go to the right, do the same thing. Let's connect the hips with a curve, going down and then up, step up, and draw that same curve for the top of the belt. We'll leave a gap in the center and draw two lines, one on the left and one on the right of the buckle. Now we're going to go out to the side and add a strap. From the left side, bend this around and then in towards the top corner of the belt. Let's add two lines on either side for a buckle. Now in the center of the body, we're going to add a curve from the bottom left. We're going to go up and then down. And we want to add those thick stripes across. So we're going to leave a gap in the center, draw one line on either side, step out, and then draw one more. Let's go to the center of the chest. We're going to add a star, starting underneath the chin, coming down and out. Go the side, and then towards the bottom of the star. Let's go to the side of the star. We're going to add a seam going up and then out. Now I'm going to go back to the buckle, step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down toward the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet, starting from the left side, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side, curve the foot, going up, and then bend that down, aiming towards the heel. Let's go back up to the hip. We're going to draw the outside of the leg, bend this out, and then down on top of the feet. Now I want to add some more detail to the legs. We're going to start by adding a thick sole across the bottom. So I'm going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. Above the foot, we're going to step up, add a curve for the edge of the boot, step down, and draw that again. From the outside, we're going to add a curve going up and then down for the knee pad. Now I'm going to add one more seam across the leg from the belt, then this out and then down on top of those pads. Now with the legs complete, let's move up to the top and draw in the arms. We start on the right side with the shield. So from the strap, we're going to draw a circle, going all the way around, go up toward the top, and then back down. From the strap, we're going to step over, bend the arm going out and then down in behind the shield, add a curve or a seam. Now we want to add those rings inside the shield. So we start with the one along the inside. Let's leave a gap, draw another one. Now add one smaller circle in the center. Let's add a small star in that center circle. And now we're going to move over and draw on the left arm. Start from the top of the strap, step over, then the arm coming down and out towards the wrist. And we'll curl the thumb, going up and then down. Round out the thumb, and then bend that up. Let's bend this in across the palm. Let's curl 3 fingers along the outside. Starting from the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and then in. Step down, draw another oval, going up underneath the thumb. We'll add one more finger across the bottom. Let's go to that bottom finger. We're going to curl the palm coming up towards the wrist. Step down, bend the arm coming in towards the side of the body. Now from the wrist, we're going to step over, draw a curve for the edge of the glove. Then we're going to add a seam across the shoulder. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Captain America from Avengers Doomsday. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.